And do you know there are people writing me from different parts of the world telling me the resurrection passed already. If the resurrection passed already, I ain't coming back here no more. Not for church.
No.
I'm going to go to Montego Bay and get on the beach, and don't you say nothing to me. Because if I miss the resurrection, my next stop is hell. And if I'm going to go to hell, I'm going to have a good time while I'm here.
That's right.
Yeah, amen. I'm going to have a good time. Are you, Williams?
Oh, yes. Right along with you, Pastor.
But that belief was here even when the apostles were here. Men were saying way back then the resurrection is past already. Before I came here, a man contacted me from Baltimore, Maryland. Called me. He asked me, did you get the material that I sent you? I said, people send me material all the time. He said, I sent you a case with books that I want you to read and consider that the resurrection have came and gone.
Who concerning the truth.
Listen at this.
In the book of 2 Timothy chapter 2. And at verse 18.
I told you, the Bible says there's nothing new under the sun, so ain't no new lies coming.
No.
These lies that come now is the repeat of the lies that have been. Mm-hmm. All right.
2 Timothy chapter 2 and at verse 18. Who concerning the truth.
Who concerning the truth of the gospel.
Have erred.
They have erred.
Saying.
That
the resurrection is past already.
Error.
Said
the resurrection already came and gone.
And overthrow.
They overthrew who?
And overthrow the faith of some.
That's what make me preach hard. Yeah. Now, you have to be sound enough, and I want you to get this good. And strong enough, and stable enough, that nobody, and I mean absolutely nobody, can overthrow your faith in God.
Amen.
No money should be able to overthrow what you stand for.
No.
Your mother, your father, no man, no woman, no job, no religion. No one, thank God, should be able to offer you anything to overthrow your faith.